There was a time when my life looked perfect from the outside. Career, marriage, children, all the right pieces in place. But inside, the house within me was cracking. Thin walls, no boundaries, rooms filled with guilt, exhaustion, and pretending I was okay. It took everything falling apart. My career, my marriage, my confidence, for me to finally see the truth. I have built a life for everyone but myself. This chapter is about rebuilding your inner home, your worth, your boundaries, your healing, brick by brick, breath by breath, until one day you can walk inside your own life and whisper, "Welcome home."